Welcome back. We've learned about various chart types, and today, we're diving into combo charts. We'll explore two types: column charts combined with line charts. Let's start with the line and clustered column chart. Choose the line and clustered column chart option. Without adding data yet, you can see a preview showing how it will look with data. Place order date on the x-axis, which will be shared by both the column and line parts of the chart. Notice there are two fields here, one for columns and one for lines. Set sales for the column values and profit for the line values. Now your chart shows sales on the primary y-axis, the base of the columns, and profit on the secondary y-axis, the line's base. The legend helps differentiate which values belong to the line and the columns. This chart setup is straightforward and easy to understand. Suppose you want to see sales by region to identify which region had the highest sales in different years. To do this, simply add region to the column legend. This breaks down the original sales column into smaller columns by region. Now you can see which region, like West or East, had the highest sales for each year. This lets you compare multiple metrics easily, both numerical, sales, profit, and categorical, order date, region, values. Try the line and stacked column chart to see a different view. Here, you can see year-over-year comparisons more clearly, showing which year had the highest sales. However, the original line versus clustered column chart is better for comparing values within a single year. This approach gives you flexibility in analyzing your data from multiple perspectives, letting you see detailed insights at a glance.